So this is how to fix Mafia Definitive Edition not launching. Make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the search and type in NVIDIA. So make sure to open this NVIDIA app. Once done, you should sign up with an account or log in with your established one if you do have it. Now go to the drivers in the left menu and make sure to select install and follow up with the installation process. Now close this, go to the search once again and type in device manager. Make sure to open this application right here. Now all you have to do is to search for display adapters and double click on it, and then you need to select your graphics card, whether it's AMD or NVIDIA. Right click and select the first option. After that, select the first option once again and click on close. Go to the upside arrow in the taskbar. If you do find the Steam icon appearing like this, make sure to right click on it and select exit Steam. But before opening the launcher once again, go to the Windows icon right here and select settings. After that, go to the bottom left corner and click this Windows update element, and make sure to download any pending updates, or even your stack updates should be downloaded to prevent any error happening. So to solve any looping updates, go to the update history and check the first two options. Scroll down, you can select the recovery option. After that, select reinstall now, but before that you can follow up with the first option and select the other troubleshooters. Go next to Windows update and select the run button and see if that works for you. Now all you have to do is to click on the Steam launcher, go to the Steam logo top left corner and select settings. After that, go to the in-game in the left menu and make sure to switch off the first option, which is the Steam overlay. Go to downloads right now. After that, make sure to select clear cache and then click on confirm. Once done, go to storage. Make sure to select your right drive that you have Mafia on. After that, select these three dots, which is settings, and click on repair library. Now go to the view option and select library. Scroll down, make sure to select your Mafia game. The game must be installed, so select it and then click on this manage option and then click on properties. After that, select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish to correct any issue happening. After that, go to general and make sure to type in -dx11. If you don't have DirectX downloaded, make sure to go to your browser, type in DirectX download. After that, select the link that belongs to Microsoft, most likely the first one. Now scroll down and select this download button and this application will be opened. So make sure to follow up with the process, and then all you have to do is to close everything, go to the Windows icon and make sure to reset your computer. Hopefully the problem is fixed. If you do find it helpful, please consider subscribing and make sure to share the video, and see you on the next one.